Angel. Acquire Minds wants to know where you been last night. Hey, we all was up worried about you. Yeah, all of us. Facebook friends, family. Yeah. Where were you? Do you hear me talking to you, right? You do? Look at me when I'm talking to you. Angel, look at me when I'm talking to you. Where were you? So you're going to come in this house and act like you was never gone. You snuck in here at 11 o'clock last night. Where were you? Do you know I was worried? Angel, I'm talking to you. Listen when I'm talking to you. Are you pregnant? Are you pregnant? Hello? Oh, so now we're going to act like you don't hear me. Angel, are you pregnant? All right. Let me ask you one more time. I need to know so we can get you help. Proper help. Because you did take a dive off the stairs this morning. And I want to make sure you're okay, okay? Are you pregnant? Are you ready to be a mom? It's a big responsibility. You barely can change your own, what do you call that thing? Your potty chair, or whatever you call it. Yeah, your litter box. You barely can feed yourself. You can't get your own food. You still need my help. Are you ready to be a mom? No, I didn't think so. So, are you pregnant? Angel, listen, I'm talking to you. Are you pregnant? I'm going to find out in the next 60 days. When you start eating up everything. I'm going to find out, okay? All right, I'm going to go get CJ.